How do you fix PC case fans that don't spin? Imagine powering up your gaming PC and noticing that one of your case fans isn't spinning. It's frustrating because proper airflow keeps your system cool during those intense gaming sessions. Let's walk through how to fix this issue step by step. First, check the power connections. Make sure the fan's cables are securely plugged into the motherboard headers or directly into the power supply unit. Sometimes a loose connection is all it takes to stop a fan from spinning. Next, look at the fan blades. Dust, dirt, or debris can block the blades from turning smoothly. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow away any buildup. Be careful not to spin the fan manually with your fingers, as this can damage the bearings. Now, turn on your PC and enter the BIOS setup during startup. Look for the fan detection section and see if the motherboard recognizes the fan. You can also check if the fan's speed is set to 0 or if it's disabled. Many BIOS setups allow you to set fan curves or enable automatic control. If you have fan control software installed, like third-party utilities, try uninstalling them and relying on the BIOS settings instead. Sometimes software conflicts prevent the fan from spinning. To test if the fan itself is faulty, disconnect it from its current header and connect it to a different motherboard fan header or directly to the power supply using a Molex connector. If it still doesn't spin, the fan may be broken and need replacing. When replacing, choose a fan that matches your case size, such as 120 mm or 140 mm, and fits your cooling needs. Keep in mind that case fans are generally inexpensive, costing between $5 and $20 each, and can be swapped out in about 5 to 10 minutes. Properly functioning case fans are essential for maintaining airflow, especially in gaming computers that generate a lot of heat from the CPU and graphics card. A non-spinning fan can cause internal temperatures to rise, leading to thermal throttling or even hardware damage over time. Remember, some fans have RGB lighting, so if you see the lights on but no movement, it's likely a power or connection issue, not a lighting problem. By following these steps, you can quickly identify whether the fan is faulty or if there's a simple fix. Ensuring your case fans work properly keeps your gaming system cool, stable, and ready for those long gaming marathons.